Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Here is a simple truth about selling online. People buy from stores they trust. In this short guide, I'll show you the trust triangle, the 3 things nearly every careful shopper checks before they buy. Get these right, and more of your visitors turn into paying customers. The first side of the triangle is your profile. This is who you are. Open your store profile under Settings and fill in your store name, a real email, and a phone number. When buyers can see a real business behind the store, they relax and keep shopping. Just below, add your full address and the country you ship from. A complete address does 2 things. It tells buyers where their order is coming from, and it lets Resogra work out accurate shipping. Blank contact details are the fastest way to lose a careful shopper. The second side is your policies, and the one buyers worry about most is shipping. Open shipping settings under Orders, and turn on the carriers you want. Now every buyer sees a real shipping cost at checkout, instead of a scary question mark. Right here you can also offer free shipping, or set one simple flat rate, and add a small handling fee if you need it. Clear, predictable shipping removes the #1 reason people abandon a cart. Say it plainly, and buyers trust you. The third side is proof, and nothing proves you like real reviews. Open your reviews page under Products. Every review a customer leaves shows up here, with the star rating, the message, and the product. This one page is your reputation at a glance. Read what buyers actually say. A line like this, praising your quality or your fast shipping, is the quiet salesperson that closes your next sale. Earn more of them the honest way, give great service, then simply ask for a review. Never buy them, and never fake them. So that's the trust triangle, a complete profile, clear policies, and honest proof. Fill in all 3, and you give every new visitor a reason to buy with confidence. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.